what is the Dyson AirStraight? Is it worth the money? Does the Dyson AirStraight actually work? These are all things I'm going to be discussing in today's video. Hi guys, my name is Mona Lisa and welcome to my channel. I'm seeing so many new subscribers join this community, and so just thank you so much. And to my OG subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in because I have an exciting video. I say that probably about every one of my videos, but if a video isn't exciting to me, I wouldn't make it. So that says a lot. So I wanted to give you guys my honest thoughts and reviews. I have had this for about 2.5 weeks now and I absolutely love it. I am usually a girl that likes to wear her hair natural, curly with a hair tongue, or wavy with wavers. Basically, if my hair's not natural, I'm always using some sort of hot tool, and I have had my hair straight ever since I've got this. It makes doing my hair so simple and easy. Now, I don't want this to be a biased review. This isn't sponsored whatsoever, but it was gifted to me and I'm not obliged to talk about it on YouTube or anywhere else. I just thought I would give you guys my honest thoughts because it is a pricey item. If you have decided that actually you really want to buy the Dyson, this is how it arrives. I have just got, I think this is just the basic one. I actually like this colour. It's silver and like a copper gold. I think it's actually really, really lovely. I know it comes in another colour. It comes in the navy blue. Equally, that looks just as stylish and sleek, but I think that costs a little bit more money. I way prefer this version here, the silver and the copper, to the silver and the pink. Didn't like the silver and the pink at all, but this I do like. And of course you get your instructions and everything in the box, and it does have 2 years guarantee, parts and labour, and you just slide it open and then this is the box inside. So along with the manuals on how to use it, you do get here your Dyson AirStraight, which is very light and comfortable on the wrist, just a little FYI. And you do get a heat pad. This is just, I think, made out of silicone, so when you're not using it you can just place it on the heat pad. Now, I have seen that people that get the navy blue version, you don't get a silicone pad, you actually get a more premium sort of velvet pad with the trimmings on it. So this is just a very flimsy, but it's still good to have. I actually have my own sort of heat pad system that I use, but this is still quite handy to use. I like leave it in another part of the house so that if I do decide to do my hair in another room, there is a place there for me to put my hot tools. Now, the Dyson Airwrap. Going back to the price, yes, this is a very pricey product, but what I have found is this is basically a 2-in-1 product, maybe a 3-in-1. So the results I get with this is it dries my hair. You clamp this down, so you clamp the tool down just like so, and then the vents that come out here comes out with hot air. You use this as your hair dryer. So this is my previous hair dryer. So I've had this hair dryer for about 15 years. I know it's very old, but I did splash out on it. It's from Paul Mitchell and it was the Express Iron Dry version 2 Pro Tools. Love this. It's still going strong, no problems with it whatsoever, but this still takes me a very long time to dry my hair. I could spend maybe 20 to 35 minutes drying my hair. My hair, I would say, it's not the thickest, but to some people maybe it is thick, but gosh, my hair holds on to moisture and it takes forever. Whenever I go to the hair salon, it takes 2 hairstylists with blow dryers to just rough dry my hair, just to get it to a point where they can blow dry it with a hair brush. Do you know what I mean? Like a professional blow dryer. It takes 2. That can kind of give you guys an inkling on how much my hair holds on to moisture. With the Dyson, I do not have that issue. I don't know what sort of science or magic or sorcery they put in here, but it dries my hair so fast. So I clamp down the tool and I use it to dry my roots. Then you set it on to the wet or dry, whatever you want. I mean, my hair is usually wet when I'm using this. Sometimes I don't even let my roots dry fully. I just do a quick little blast, and then I start to section out my hair. I take little pieces, and then these vents have to be facing downwards, and then you just will glide it through your hair. The first time still isn't 100% dry, but second time, guys, you are left with the sleekest, softest, straightest hair that I've ever had at home. Whenever I use my blow dryer, I feel like my hair flies in 101 directions, and therefore I think the hair follicles just become a bit frazzled and puffy. A better sense of the word, where because the air is blowing this in one direction, it's almost as if I'm using a brush and my traditional blow dryer to straighten out and sleek out my hair. That takes me usually forever, and my arms are aching after it. It is like an arm workout. This is literally, it takes no time at all. So I can kind of justify the price for that. So wait until the end of the video and I will disclose where you can buy Dyson Air products at a very affordable price tag. The second step of my hair care routine, if I want it straight, is I have to go in with my GHD hair straighteners. I have been a GHD lover all my life. I don't think I will ever venture out from using GHDs, and I like to use the sort of, this is the GHD Gold, so it has a better sort of plate to protect your hair. So these are not cheap either. These are about 100 and something pounds. My hairdryer cost me a pretty penny, and it kind of makes up for the cost of the Dyson AirStraight when you think of it in that terms. I then have to go section by section and straighten my hair because I do have a kink in it, and if I don't get every section, you'll be able to see it, especially on the root. So that takes more time into my hair care routine. The Dyson AirStraight cuts that out. It dries my hair, it straightens my hair, it gives me this sort of salon straight finish. It's bouncy, it feels fuller. I'm not going to go into technicals because I'm not that kind of girly. I'm the kind of girly who likes to see results. I'm the type of girly that if it's inconvenient to my everyday life, I'm not really going to use it, and it doesn't really entice me. So far this has been great. Now, a negative I have. There's no way I'll be able to take this traveling. Absolutely not. And I can show you right now the reason. This is the plug socket. It's almost as big as my head, guys. Now, to plug this in, especially if you need to plug it behind some furniture, a desk or whatever, it sticks out a lot. Let me just show you my traditional hair straightener. I can't see myself taking this in my suitcase. I can't see myself taking this on holiday with an extra bulk adapter for it. And I've also been told that actually Dyson products don't actually work properly in other countries that you're not from. So that is another negative. Because I really enjoy using this, it's such a shame that I can't take it around with me. This is very much a at-home only hair tool. So that is something to consider when purchasing the Dyson AirStraight. Another thing that I love is because there is 0 hot plates, this uses airflow technology. When you are trying to get right into the hair, like closest to your scalp, I remember when I was using it that I did get really close and I just jumped out of my skin because I am so used to being burnt by my hair straighteners. I cannot tell you how many times I have burnt my neck, my forehead, my ears, all with my hair straighteners, and it's not fun. It's absolutely awful. I couldn't believe how triggering it was, this coming so close to my neck, that I jumped like that. Good news, guys, it did not burn me. There's absolutely no hot plates whatsoever with this tool. I also really like the fact that it's quiet. Blow drying it, doing your hair, it just kind of sounds like, you know, the normal Dyson, if you've ever heard it. It's a very low pitched sound. I will insert some videos so you guys can hear the sound on audio, so I'll just insert that right here. So you can hear that it's actually not very loud at all. Another feature that I love is if you put it down and want to section another part of your hair, this will turn off by itself after a few seconds. It almost recognizes that you're not using it, and so it just switches itself off. So there's no need to keep pressing the buttons, switching it off, putting it down, resectioning your hair. You literally just, once you've finished with the section and you need 2 hands, place it down on the silicone pad and then it will just switch off by itself, which I think is really great. I mean, how many times have we left the house wondering, have you left the hair straightener on? Have you left the curling iron on? The amount of nightmares or the amount of times I've had to run back home of fear that I'm literally going to burn the house down. You don't get this with the Dyson AirStraight. It switches off by itself. Maybe I can do a shorts video of like my top 5 tips on using the Dyson AirStraight. But one tip I will share with all my lovely YouTube subscribers on where you can buy this really affordably and try it at home. I don't think you guys realize how great QVC Beauty is. They have so many brands and they bring to you the most amazing prices. Now, the Dyson AirStraight I have seen on the websites and other retailers is $449.99 or £450. On QVC Beauty, yes, unfortunately, the price doesn't go down, but you can get your hands on the Dyson AirStraight and other Dyson hair products on QVC for just 4 easy payments. So I think you're paying roughly, I've got it here actually, you can pay £112.47, get this delivered to your home, try it for 30 days, and if you don't even like it, you could just return it and get your money back. I don't know anywhere else where you can buy this product, try it for yourself, see the results, for a fraction of the price, for only £112. Even if you just change your mind, you've used it for a week and you're like, you know what, it's a novelty item, they will give you your money back. And that is why I love shopping on QVC. For anything that I know is expensive and I know I want to try it, I just wanted to give you guys that information. Do with it what you will, but yeah, it's just such an amazing deal. Hopefully you guys like this video. It is definitely a new video for me. I've never reviewed anything this sort of technical before, and I am sorry that I'm not going into the more technical details, but I'm just giving you my thoughts, things that actually matter to me as a normal consumer. I just know it works. I just know I love the results, and I know that I have just really been enjoying wearing my hair straight for the past couple of weeks. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, which is Mona Lisa Adley. I'll have it on the bottom of the screen so you guys can find me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.